inspiration, stickers and playful creativity. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of my Cozy Hobbies journal. If you remember this one, we started in episode 1 with pottery painting, and today I'm going to be journaling about a new favourite hobby that's kind of becoming a hyperfixation, and it is booknooking. So this is the first book nook that I've ever made. Made it with my partner Will. He got it me for Christmas. It's so cute. It's a little garden house. I'll show you some close-ups. It even lights up. Oh, the light's coming on, but it's just so bright in here that you can't see. See that little lamp? I'll show you a close-up. I'm obsessed with it, like all of the tiny details, and me being me, I went in and did extra details inside as well. And I haven't even put it on a bookshelf like you're supposed to. I've just had it out on display in the house. I love it so much that I've already bought another one, so there'll definitely be at least 2 episodes of the Cozy Hobbies journal about booknooking. So the plan with these Cozy Hobby journal videos is that I film bits and bobs here and there over a few weeks. This video is a little bit different because I already made this before I realised that I really wanted to make a journal spread about it for the Cozy Hobbies journal. So today we're just going to be journaling in here about the book nook. I have loads of packaging from the box, the instructions leaflet. You'll see it's going to be a fun journal spread. In the second episode of the Cozy Hobbies journal, booknooking, you'll actually get to see me do a bit of the hobby itself. So that's where you'll see me build a bit of the next book nook, which I'll show you at the end. I'm really excited to do. So come with me, let's go and journal about my new favourite hobby, booknooking. Gathering the materials I'll need for this spread. I still have the packaging from the book nook box, and then I also have the instructions leaflet, which obviously I don't need anymore now that I've built it, and I really don't plan on dismantling it and rebuilding it, so I thought that this would be great because it's very papery and I could use some of the pictures from this in the journal spread. The kit also came with these posters and like a little rug and a view for the window that I scanned in onto sticker paper before we actually used them in the book nook, so I guess I was thinking ahead in that respect. I'm glad I've got those to add into here as well. Then I gathered some of the stickers that I wanted to use for this spread, so any that are kind of pretty garden vibes with little bits of greenery and flowers. I just thought they would go with this garden house style of book nook. And these are my ghostly garden gallery stickers, so they're painting themed, which kind of would have suited my last Cozy Hobby journal video more, but they're also gardening themed with like little gates and leaves, so I thought they would go really nice in this garden house book nook spread. Then I gathered together a few washi tapes I wanted to use with foliage, flowers and even little garden gates on them, and it was time to start the spread. I won't talk you all the way through the process because it was kind of intuitive and hopefully it's just fun to watch, but this kind of first stage was me going through all my materials, the packaging, the instructions, and just kind of cutting out any bits that I really wanted to include, laying them out and putting some washi tape on the pages. I quickly realised this wasn't going to be one spread, and I do end up actually making 3. once I had laid out and stuck down all of the materials that I wanted to include from the packaging and things, which turned out to be a lot, I went back with the stickers that I wanted to include and just filled in the spaces with these, just had fun with it really. I didn't think about it too much because I'm just trying to capture a little feeling, and I knew I had some stuff to write but I knew it wasn't really that much, so it was fine to take up most of the pages with stickers. Yes, you did just witness that correctly. I used up an entire Ghostly Garden Gallery sticker sheet by making these spreads. I just thought the stickers went so nicely on there, so I used every last one of them. And then it was time to move on to writing. Like I said, I didn't want to write too much, but I just wanted to capture a few of the details and the kind of things that I liked about making this book nook. We spent 2 whole days somewhere between Christmas and New Year's making this book nook together. It was just so much fun. I really feel like it lit a spark in me of like realising how much I like building little tiny things, and I just wanted to write about that basically, just how fun it was, how cute I think the book nook is, how much I'm looking forward to making another one. So that's what I did. I just filled in the gaps with writing about that, and then any spaces that were left, of course, I filled them with lots and lots of little doodles, dots, stars and swirls, because I can't help it. And there we have it, 3 finished spreads about book nooking. I had such a cosy time journaling about this cosy hobby, and I'm really happy with how the spreads turned out. Here's a better look at them in the light outside. enjoyed making this with me. I'm really happy with these 3 spreads. I think they really capture all the little details and the things that I loved about the process of booknooking. And these will definitely help me cherish the memory of making this little beauty. And I honestly already can't wait to do the next one. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek of the next booknook kit that I've bought. It's not actually a booknook like this one, you know, like the skinny ones that fit on the bookshelf. It's like a little model basically, but I'm still calling it a booknook because it's the same process. And me and my partner are going to make it together again because he loves it, and we're a really good team because he likes the really fiddly building bits that I don't have the patience for, and I like the arty bits like sticking on the little sticker posters and drawing doodles all over everything, so we work well together. The next one we're going to make is Kiki's Magical Emporium. If you've watched Kiki's delivery service, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be the unofficial kind of booknook for that, which I love because I really enjoyed in this one adding lots of little stars and moons. I even added a few tiny crystals, so I kind of made this garden house as witchy as possible. So it only seems right to go on to a witchy booknook next. It's extra magical, and it even comes with little potion bottles of crystals. So we've already made like 3 little cupboards from that, and I'm going to continue filming the process as we build it, and then when we're finished I'm going to bring it all together into a video for you, along with making a journal spread about it, or probably more than one, let's be honest. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me in this cozy hobby journaling process. I'm really enjoying these, I hope you are too, and I'll see you again very soon. Until then, happy journaling, bye!